Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As the temperature dropped and the snowfall started to fall, I know it's time to transform my home into a warm and cozy haven. Join me on this journey as I prepare my home for the coziest season of all. I started with my bedroom where a warm and inviting bed in the centerpiece. I swept out my lightweight summer bed cover for a plus thick winter one. The soft fuzzy fabric is like a warm hug on a cold winter's night. Next, I tackle my living room where a warm and cozy rug can make all the differences. I replace my thin summer rug with a thick plus winter one. The soft fibers feel like a warm cloud under my feet. I move on to my window where cold air can seep in and make my home feel chilly. I swap out my lightweight summer curtain for thick heavy winter ones. The dark rich fabric block out the cold and keeps my home warm and cozy. As I finish my winter home makeover, I step back and admire my handiwork. My home is now a warm and cozy haven, perfect for snuggling up on cold winter night. Bring on the snow, and thank you for joining me on this winter home makeover journey. Stay warm guys, and cozy this winter. Incredible to see you our community growing, and it motivated me to keep creating content that inspire, entertain and inform. Whether you have been from the start or just join us recently, your engagement, like, comment and share make a huge difference. It help me understand what resonate with you and how can I improve. I strive to bring value is every video, and your feedback is essential in guiding the journey. So please keep them. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for